Comics are a strange art form because they actually show very little. We see a character enter a room. In the next panel, a table has been overturned, but the movement in between is missing. We fill it in ourselves in. Maybe that's where the power of comics truly begins. Not in what they show, but in what they leave unseen. Think about a horror movie. The more clearly it shows the monster, the less frightening it often becomes. Imagination is frequently more powerful than any image. Comics use this principle all the time. A closed door, a sound coming from outside the frame, fear on a character's face. The reader creates the unseen event in their own mind. Every reader ends up imagining a slightly different scene. That's why some moments in comics feel incredibly powerful, even though they were never actually drawn. The white space between panels is called the gutter. In a way, that's where most of the story happens. In one panel, a character raises a gun. In the next, a window is shattered. We never see the most important moment, yet our brains automatically connect the two images and create the missing action. Scott McCloud called this process closure. Comics turn the reader from a passive spectator into an active participant. The reader becomes the person who completes the story in their mind. Maybe that's where the magic of comics lies. In not showing everything, in leaving space for the reader, because sometimes the most powerful image is the one that was never drawn.